That's that shit. Fat ass bitch. Yeah, that's it. Your shit. That's that shit. Fat ass bitch.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, girl Briana Marie, and let's jump right into it. So first of all, I already went ahead and molded my brows down and powdered them. Now I want to take my Juvias Place Espresso in this shade Espresso brow pencil, and I'm going to only fill my brows in at the end. So basically the tail part of my brow. Then in the front, I am going to do a lighter pencil, use a lighter pencil, and fill my brows in with. So I'm just doing the arch. So basically make sure you go in the middle to the back, and then at the top in the middle towards the back, and make sure you are creating an arch, especially if you don't have an arch. Make sure you create an arch, y'all. And then I'm going to lightly fill it in because I don't want it too dark, and that's the key to get the natural brow look. So I'm going to go ahead with this light pencil. This is from Nova Beauty, and I want to use the shade brown. And what we're going to do is make a line in the front towards the espresso color. So make sure you are going into your brows with this espresso color. And you're going to start flickering up in the front to give that brow hair stroke. So that's why I'm on my brows too. So it can already have that brow shape that I want. Now I'm taking tape shape in the shade Tan Sand, and then I took Fawn. So Fawn just to give it a little bit of deepness, and Tan Sand because I love that bright brow bone highlight effect. And I am using a 252 as a MAC brush to carve my brows out, y'all, and a 142 buffer brush to buff all of this concealer out. Y'all, look at those brows. Sharp. My brows come out good almost every time, like 90% of the time. So off camera I did go ahead and take the what is this, the Fawn in the front and did my brows, and I did take it on top of my brows. So y'all really have to be precise with y'all brows. I'm more for of a clean look. A lot of people can go quick, but I don't know, I just love a sculpted clean look. It's something about a sculpted clean look that just makes the look pop. So brows first. And what order do y'all go in? Do y'all go in brows or face, then shadow, then brows at the end? I know some people don't like that because I don't know, I can't get with that. I just can't get with that. So these are the brows done. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Juvia's Place. I prep my prime base in the shade, what is this, number 2. And please let your base dry down. Rude. Let your base dry down for a second and then tap it out. Never go ahead and tap your base as soon as you put it down. So this is how the eyes are looking. I did tap the other base off camera, and now I'm going to the Fula palette. They just came out with this palette, y'all, and I love the colors in here. A very versatile palette. And the first shade that I'm going in with is this green out of this palette. They don't have any names. So the green, so the second row, the second color, and I want to tap this in the middle. I love doing smoky eyes. Y'all know that is my favorite thing to do. So I'm going to tap this right in the middle of my eyelids, y'all, and just tap. A thing that I noticed about these shadows too, when I tap too much on, it starts getting what is it, like dry in certain areas. So what I do is I either take my finger, which is kind of heated, and tap it so it could go away, or I just tap more on. But I'd rather use my finger because tapping more on, it's just gonna look patchy. So make sure you are tapping off that brush, that excess shadow, so that this problem won't occur. Now I'm taking the first shade out of this palette, and I am going to put this right on top of the green shade. So basically I love to go in with all my colors first and then go ahead and map them out as start blending them in more as I go. So map them out first. Make sure you hit everywhere that you know that you want to put your colors, and then go ahead and blend and intensify the look as you go. So that's my best advice for shadow. map out your shadow first, then go ahead and take more shadow to intensify the look. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side, y'all. And I'm going back into that green, but I switched up the brush. I am using a fluffy brush to blend these edges out, y'all. Y'all definitely want to go back in with the shadow because it's going to make it look way better. And then you can always start off with a fluffy brush first. However, I just love to pack the shadow on. Something about packing the shadow onto me, it just looks way better. And then I can just go ahead and blend out the edges. Therefore, I don't have to really apply more on the lid. So just blend out the edges and take a tiny brush so that everything can blend out. You know when the shadows is good, because when they start blending into each other, baby, that's the one. So I did go ahead and take that orange color and go back on top of that green as well. So basically like a back and forth motion with these colors, y'all. All right. So I'm doing it right here. And I do go ahead and take this in the front because I just love a shadow like that's close to the front of the brow. It gives it a more defined look, especially when you start doing that nose contour. And I love it. So this is a blue that I'm going to put in the inner tear duct area. I love this color. It fits so perfect with this look. It complemented it so well. I couldn't get it out because it just went so good with this. And I just put this in the corner with a Morphe 506 brush. And then make sure you are blending this out. Don't just put it in the corner. Everything has to have blend to it, okay? When it comes to shadow, everything has to have blend with it. I know I'd be going so long with these shadows and my videos be super long. So I'm going to start cutting down some of my videos. However, some people just love the videos where I'm explaining it and where it's like to the point where they see every single thing that I do. But I got to shorten these videos down. Because like when I'm looking and talking, I'm really just going on and on about the same thing when I could just say it and then it'd be on to the next thing. So I'm just taking my Wet n Wild wing liner. Well, liner. I always say wing liner. It's not a wing liner. It's liner, girl. And I am drawing a wing liner. Wing line. Okay, girl. Okay. And the key to this is, I don't know, some people like their wings going straight out. I love my wings going up, baby. I want my wings to be up. I need y'all to see my wings. I don't like that outer wing, y'all. But I did my wing. They came out perfect. Look at that. And then now I'm going to take some mascara. This is the Bad Girl mascara from Benefit. And I am going to put lashes on, y'all. I am putting, which lashes are these? These are the Patrick Star lashes, y'all. These are the thickest ones that he has. And let me tell y'all, these lashes are super thick. And I use this I Envy glue from the, the Beauty Supply. And it's from Kiss. So now what I'm doing is I am taking some of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream and I am applying this on my face, y'all. And then now I'm going to take this Hourglass foundation stick, which I already did contour in all the areas. Now I'm taking NARS Sheer Glow foundation in the shade Macao, and I put that only in the center part of my face. And then I'm going to take my NARS Long Wear foundation right there in the shade New Caledonia, and I put this on the outer perimeters of my face because it's a little darker than Macao. I used to use Macao, but it was too light. I'm like, okay, no, this is too light. I like both of the colors, but it's too light. So either I can mix it or I could just use New Caledonia on this on. So I just use New Caledonia on this on, and then I use the Macao like in the center of my face, because knowing that I highlight bright, so that's going to make sense in the long run. So I'm going to tap this out. Okay, make sure you're buffing this out, y'all. And y'all, let me know if y'all want a life update video and things like that. I'm going to take my Tan Deep Sand and No, Tarte, tan deep sand and deep concealer. Girl, I said it right because I thought I said tan sand. But this is tan deep sand and deep. I am going to spray this and I am going to let it set. So I'm going to take my fan, let it dry down just a little bit, and I'm going to start tapping it out. Because this concealer gets matte, so you definitely want to spray your face when it comes to that. And it just makes it look very good. But anyways, if y'all want a life update, let me know. Y'all, I have been dreading to do YouTube videos. Like, I don't know. I love doing them, but I'm just not in the right environment to do them. Like, I just want peace around me. I don't want negative energy. Like, negative energy make you not want to do anything. So I just need peace. I need peace around me, y'all. Like, oh, whew. I'll tell y'all, I just need it. Like, man. But let me know if y'all want a life update video. I'll definitely give that to y'all. But really, it's nothing nothing's really been going on in my life. But if y'all definitely want one to know, let me know. And also, let me know if y'all want to see other videos. I know a lot of people probably want to see clothing hauls. I am not. My body is not where I want it to be. Like, I am not confident in my body anymore. Like, and then I don't know if it's the hormones or me just wanting to eat, but I just be eating. I be eating. Like, and I am sick of it. My neck is getting fat. Like, y'all, I just went on a whole rant, but like, I don't want to do certain things because I don't look a certain way. So I need a therapist for real. Like, but anyways, yeah, let me know if y'all want some of those videos because I'll definitely give them to y'all when I do post videos. But I just want to love life. I just want to love life and everything that I do. So I did go ahead back into 10 Tarte Tape Shape concealers, and I used tan sand. Now I'm going to use Laura Mercier Year concealer in the shade Honey. Honey. But yeah, I also too want to live a luxury black girl lifestyle. Like, I've been looking at those videos like, that's me. I don't look like it now, but it's me. I want to live it. I want to manifest it. Like, y'all, I just got so many ideas in my head, but it's just like something that's stopping me from doing it. Lord, please help me. Get me out this hole. But yeah, y'all, I'm taking my Fenty powder in the shade 430, and I am putting this all over my face, the areas that I did set with powder, loose powder. And now I'm taking my bronzer. This is the bronze palette from Juvias Place in the shade Dark. If y'all haven't shopped with Juvias Place, go ahead and do so right now and get y'all some products. And if they do have a sale, see if you can use extra, and I know you can by using the code BMarie, and y'all get extra money off. Okay, so I'm just basically taking this and I am bronzing my face, y'all. Now I'm gonna take this Volume 1 blush palette, and I'm going to put this right on top of the contour, like above it. Not on it completely, but above it, on it, if that makes sense. But yeah, I did go ahead and take both of those shades out of the bronze palette to bronze with. Now I'm going to take the green color for my under eye, and I am going to smoke this out, y'all. And I'm taking this blending brush and smoking it out, and I used the orange as well. So both of those two colors for the transition I use underneath the eye. So now what I'm doing is bronzing my nose with the same dark palette that I used for Juvia's Place, and we're gonna bronze. I just love, like, y'all, the I was gonna say thank Brianna. The way that I used to do makeup versus from what I do now, I think I'm going to bring back some of those techniques. This is a Limelight, and I put this in my waterline, y'all. And I did do my lips off camera, so if y'all do want to see that lip tutorial, I definitely posted it in a short, so go ahead and check it out. But yeah, y'all, don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.